Jack and Zoe Sydney is marketed as an Australian fashion brand offering stylish clothing and attractive discounts. But the real question is it really from Australia, or is the Sydney branding just part of the marketing? Now, to be fair, many legitimate fashion brands are based in Australia and sell online to customers around the world. Using a city name in a brand can be a genuine reflection of its origins. What it does well: the website looks professional. At first glance, the store appears similar to many modern online fashion retailers. The clothing designs are attractive. The products are often presented with a boutique-style aesthetic that appeals to fashion shoppers. Where the questions begin: the branding does not automatically prove Australian ownership. This is the biggest issue. A store can use Sydney in its name without being headquartered or operated in Australia. Company information may be limited. Some online stores provide very little verifiable information about where they are actually based. Shipping detail can reveal important clues. Long delivery times or international fulfillment centers may indicate operations outside Australia. So, is Jack and Zoe Sydney really from Australia? Short answer: not necessarily. The use of Sydney in the brand name alone is not enough to confirm that the company is genuinely Australian-owned or operated. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.